guys, today is the day that we are going to be in Singing Cat, and it's the second video, and we will see about the mobiles and the new hairstyles. Whoa, a taxi! We need to go on it and wait where she's going to go. Let's talk a bit.
Wow! But his face is weird.
Yeah, he's like the Aquaman. 1 second, that's a girl? Oh, we just found out where's the mobile shop. Yeah, everybody look, this is the mobile shop and we're going inside. And let's see, here we have some old phones that runs closes like that, you can see it. And these are some Nintendo Switch, normal Nintendo Switch, like little tablets Nintendo Switch with some watches. And this is like an old normal iPad. Look all these when it closes like that. And you can even see this is like small Nintendo Switch, not Nintendo Switch, it's like mobile games. And this one is like the plain phones, but in another colors. Now that these are all her friends that is in Royale, so yeah. And here we have headphones and computer. And here we have two chairs and some little chairs. Yeah, like always, everybody has these. Oh, let's go in taxi. It's right here, right? Let's run. And jump. We're inside.
Yay!
Okay. Oh yeah, she's talking a good, funny language.
That's a tunnel.
You know something? This car is so beautiful. If someone knows how to get a car, please down below and tell us how to get a car. And here's the wheel. And now let's look at the hairstyles. First,
These are the cutesy buns. Cutesy buns that are back.
these are the royal curls. That are like a curly back. And next is Fairy Princess braid.
So next is Sweetness Folded Pony. And the next one is Punk Brandling.
And this one is royal curls that normally would choose a pink like in the photo. And this is like the guitarist that everybody's talking about now. And it's very nice.
No, here's the. Are you sure about that? Here's the Delicate Empress hairstyle. Super cool and delicate, like it said. Let's look at the back. Whoa, delicate. And here's Am I magical girl yet? Hairstyle. That's perfectly fluffy. And lead guitarist. And the last one, Miss Amazing at Everything. Of course, it's amazing. The Miss Amazing at Everything. So
Okay, let's look at that. Wow, this is so crazy. How they have fire near the garbage? Oh, what are these stuffs? Yeah.
are these for the New Yorkers?
Well, look, these are garbage. Nah, I'm not going inside. Let's climb up. Like that, let's go in the museum and let's see about it. Oh my god.
Oh
These
my
are so beautiful.
This is the Destination Fantasy Getaway Resort. This is the destination.
Enchanting Sky.
Here is the destination.
Enchanting Sky. Royal High Class.
So these are the 3 places that you can go. So that's it for today.
So this is two for today. So see you all next time. Goodbye.
So bye and see you next time on Thinking Cat
Bye.
videos.